Jack.
Ahmed,
How are you?
it's a pleasure to meet you.
Good to see you, my friend.
Can I give you a hug?
Of course, my friend.
Love you. Thank you for everything.
No
Being an
problem.
absolute hero. I came here with news of people around the world. 43,000 people.
Thank you so much.
They raised you $2.5 million.
I deserve it.
Every penny.
My pleasure. Thank you very much.
If you could say one thing to the people that donated, what would you tell them?
Stand to each other, all human being, and forget, put everything back behind the back, and keep going to save life. Save life. When I do save the people, I do it from the heart, because it was a nice day. Everyone enjoying, celebrating with the kids, woman, man, teenager, all this. Everyone was happy, and they deserve to enjoy, and it's them right. This country, best country in the world, the best country in the world. But we're not gonna stand and keep watching. Enough, it's enough. God protect Israel. Ozzy.